What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we hit the golden pocket. It is the range, Fibonacci retracement range of 65% retracement. And statistically it is the most probable level of trend reversal. And I've told you that from this point we might go higher in order to form our B wave. And this B wave should have a shape of a simple zigzag right here, as you can see. And we had the possibilities to land at the levels of around 0.236 right here, 0.382 and 0.5. And from this range, we had a small leg to the downside, and this was the bottom, the real bottom of our A wave. And as you can see, we have the top of our B wave right here. And internal movement of this retracement is this one. We have this is our C wave, this is the bottom of our B wave, and this is the top of our A wave. So simple zigzag. As you can see, Tesla acts exactly as I predicted, and I marked this range of resistance, and I have to pull this Fibonacci retracement tool a little bit lower. And as you can see, we hit this range of resistance, and it was the top of our previous third wave. And right here we have also a couple of touches of this range, and it was quite good resistance for this movement to the upside. And congratulations to all of you who follow my channel and who follow the entire movement of Tesla. What should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the news that might drive for the price of this company. So first of all, let me show you that we are deeply in red. The entire market is in red. As you can see, it is a S&P 500 one-day performance heat map. And what is the reason of this bloodbath on the markets? Here it is. On January 13th, we have this article that is titled Fed's Harker calls for action on inflation, sees 3 or 4 rate hikes likely this year. And let me quote you key points. Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker said Thursday he sees 3 or 4 interest rate hikes this year as likely to fight inflation. The policy tightening would be in response to inflation that is running at the highest level in nearly 40 years. While Harker expressed support for hikes and the end of monthly bond purchases, he favors waiting before decreasing the Federal Reserve's $8.8 trillion balance sheet. So, this news definitely was the negative catalyst for entire market. That's why we have basically red color among the top list of S&P 500 and other indexes. But we also have some negative news, quote-unquote negative news for Tesla. And let me show you first of all this one. Tesla's Cybertruck arrival might be pushed out to 2023. And let me quote you this. Tesla removed a reference on its website to 2022 as a production date for the Cybertruck, as spotted by Edmunds. The wording now just says you will be able to complete your configuration as production nears. The apparent delay comes after Tesla reportedly attracted more than 1.3 million reservations for the Cybertruck and was promising at one point delivery to customers by the end of 2022. The all-electric truck is anticipated to feature a range up to 500 miles and is expected to price at around $40,000. The 0 to 60 miles per hour speed is listed at 2.5 seconds. And definitely it might be also a negative catalyst, but all in all, on a greater scale, Tesla has extremely high demand for their cars and they don't need to push another model into the market because they didn't fulfill the existing demand for their cars yet. And this means it is a quite good and obvious decision that they push the production date of Cybertruck a little bit further. And the next bad reason is right here. The New York Post reported yesterday afternoon that 19-year-old German IT specialist is claiming he has successfully hacked into 25 Tesla vehicles across 13 countries and been able to turn on their radios, flash their headlights, and even start their engines and begin keyless driving remotely. And on the first glance, it sounds extremely dangerous, but according to the hacker in question, his hacking success was not tied to any vulnerability in Tesla's infrastructure. Rather, it was due to some basic precaution that the car owners apparently failed to follow. And this means it is not the bad news for Tesla, especially on a greater scale. It is just some facts that might take place if you won't be extremely cautious with your electronic devices. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me delete this tool. I don't need it for now, and I don't need this structure as well. So, what should we expect next? Definitely we have extremely high volume with this movement to the downside. This means the higher volume is, the more possibilities that we will continue this trend. And unfortunately, we have two confirmation signs that we will hit lower targets. First of all, it is our ABC correction structure, and we didn't complete the 5-wave structure in the C wave yet. This means we might have a trend continuation. And the volume is the second confirmation sign that we might continue this trend. So, where we might land? Definitely we have this range of previous bottom of $892.53 as our major support, and we didn't break it right here. And this might be a level where we might have at least a bounce. And if I measure the length of the A wave, compare it with the length of the C wave, we have this range of $880 as a one-to-one extension, and it is the most common extension in the C wave compared to A. This means we might land right here, and if we will have a huge volume in this movement to the downside, and if we will break this range of support with increasing volume, this means we might see lower price targets. So, what should we expect in a greater scale? Let me zoom out to 4 hours time frame. And all in all, I have to say that this movement, this retracement and this consolidation phase is very healthy for the Tesla's price. Because we have to unload the movement from $600 all the way up to $1,200, and this should last for quite a while. And this means when we will have some lower price targets around $900 and below, it will be extremely attractive levels for you as an investors to put your money into the Tesla. Because in a greater scale, this company has outstanding fundamentals. They about to launch their gigafactories in Berlin and in Austin, and this means in upcoming year, at least 50% of upside potential from the levels of $900 and below will be almost guaranteed for this stock. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!